Hello, I just had to come to you with a special video to announce the amazing May special that Stampin' Up! Is offering on their starter kit. Now I know some of you have already started to turn off your ears because I said starter kit, but hear me out. You don't have to start anything except for saving. Let me tell you a little bit more about this May special and then you can decide. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sharon Rogers and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wells, Maine. And I would love to tell you more about this. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me and ask me directly. But here are my top 10 reasons why I think you should strongly consider the May special. Number 1, you're going to receive an in-color package. You are going to get lots of new product from the in-color collection. We have 5 new colors. You'll get 5 stamp pads, 1 of each of those colors. You will receive a package of assorted in-color cardstock. That's 4 sheets of each of the 5 colors for a total of 20 sheets. You'll receive a 6x6 designer series paper package of the in-colors. That's 8 sheets of each of those 5 in-color designer series papers. And you will also receive a package of 5 Stampin' Write markers. That's right, 1 of each of the new in colors. That is an over $80 value in and of itself with those 4 items. The ink pads, the cardstock, the designer series paper, and the Stampin' Write markers. Reason number 2 you should consider it is as is the case every day, the starter kit is $99, but you get to select $125 worth of merchandise of your choice. That's an extra $26 worth of merchandise at no additional cost. But remember, you also get that extra $82 worth of in-color products. So you are getting over $200 worth of product for that $99. Reason number 3, the starter kit has free shipping. So you are saving over $22 just in shipping with this amazing starter kit value. Reason number 4, you're going to get a paper pumpkin kit in the mail. So if you've never tried them, they are a kit that can be delivered to your mailbox every month. I've got 2 of them in here in my hotel room in Georgia. So I had something to do while I was on my work trip. So I did some on the plane already, so I still have another one to go. Lots of fun, but you can check out a paper pumpkin in your starter kit. Reason number 5, you will receive at least a 20% discount on all future orders through at least October. So May, June, July, August, September, October. About 6 months worth of 20% discount. And it could be higher depending on what you do, if anything, with your starter kit and when you're a demonstrator. Reason number 6, you're going to have early access to new product as it's released or before it's released. So for instance, the new catalog debuted May 1st, but I was able as a demonstrator to pre-order items during the month of April. When there is an online exclusives release, you will be able to order anything from that the month prior. When there is a mini catalog, you'll be able to order items from the mini catalog a month prior to everyone else. So generally, you're the one that's going to get first in line. You don't have to worry about a backlog of orders or things being out, generally speaking. So that alone is a great little perk. Reason number 7. Now this pertains to my team in particular. Whenever I do a class or a retreat or a tutorial online, I will provide the tutorial for my team members for free. So you'll be able to design all the cards using product you probably already own, just using my instructions without even having to attend a class. Of course, you are welcome to come to classes as well as a participant, but you will get the tutorials for free. Reason number 8, there is truly no obligation once you've joined. You do not have to hold classes. You do not have to create videos. You do not have to sell to another person. You do not have to invite a friend to purchase anything. You don't even have to purchase another thing. Now, I think you're going to want to, especially if you love stamping enough to purchase the starter kit. And I think you're going to want to if you get a 20% discount on your future purchases. But truly, there is no further obligation. Reason number 9, you're going to be joining my team, and I have been a demonstrator for over 23 years. So I've been around the block. I know the ins and the outs, and you can come to me with your questions. Not only that, but there are teammates, and that brings me to reason number 10. There is a Stampin' Up community, big, and then there's one that's smaller. My team, Mrs. Rogers Stamperhood. So the Stamperhood is just a group of demonstrators, and when we get together, we have lots of fun. We create, and there's just something special. I can't describe it. It's a different relationship. It's very easygoing, and we have a lot of fun. We do meet once a month. Obviously, you don't have to, but most people choose to. For those who do not live near me, I offer a Zoom team meeting. But for those that do live near me, I offer an in-person team meeting. We get together, we create cards, we maybe learn a few little business tips, or maybe it's a special fun fold or mystery stamping. We do all sorts of fun things, and there's usually prizes involved. So I hope you will consider joining my team. But above all else, you really need to consider this starter kit, whether you do anything else with it or not, whether you do anything with my team or not. I hope you will. I love having a Stampin' Up team, and my team of about 20 always has room for more. So think about it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you want to jump in and not waste another moment, the link to join under that starter kit promotion is in the description of this video. Have a great May. Bye.